So yeah, this is a school management system which I did last year. The front end is done with the rec and the backend is done with the express. So I'm gonna start the backend server and then I'm gonna start the front end server and we'll go through it together. Once it's fully loaded, it will take you to the welcome page, and in the welcome page you can click on the sign in button. So I'm gonna click on it. So when you click on the sign in button, it will take you to the sign in page. So there are three options. The first option is the admin option, sign in for the admin, and second one is for the staff sign in, and the last one is for the student sign in. One interesting thing about this project is that it has a role-based authentication system, which means when you sign in as an admin, you will have full access to all the pages within the school management system. But when you sign in as a staff or a student, there's limited access, which means some of the pages cannot be accessed by the staff or the student. And for security reasons, the staff and the student, they cannot create an account, and they can only log in with the details provided by the admin. So only the admin can create an account. So I'm gonna create an account with the admin. I'm gonna sign up as an admin and we're going to go through it together. After a successful sign in or sign up, I'll be taken to the home page in the dashboard. So yeah, in the home page you can see or read announcements, and the total number of students, staffs and courses are also displayed in the home page. So yeah, later in this video I'm gonna create an announcement and you will see it will be displayed in the home page, and I'm gonna add a student, a course and a staff member also. So you will see the total number of the course, student and the staff will be automatically updated in the home page. So I'm going to start with the course. I'm going to navigate to the courses page and then I'm going to add a new course. So this would be three fields. The first field is for the course name, and then second one is for the subject, and the final one, the third one, is for the course description. So I'm just simply following the structure of the course structure of the institution of where I studied, which means that in each course we studied different subjects in a semester. And yeah, I know it could be different in other institutions, but this school management system is fully customizable, which means that I can change it to meet the setting of the institution, whether it's a tertiary institution or a high school. After I entered all the details and click save, the course will be displayed in the page, and I can delete and edit the course also. And yeah, I can sort the courses also according to the given criteria, and I can set the courses also. The next thing I'm gonna add is a staff member. So I'm gonna navigate to the staff page and then I'm gonna add a second staff member. Keep in mind that the provided email address and the password is the same email and the password that will be used by the staff member to sign in. And yes, I can edit or delete a staff also. The next thing I'm gonna add is a student. So I'm gonna go to the student page and add a student. So yeah, all the fields in the student page, including other pages, are also validated. So which means that you cannot submit a empty form. In the course field, the course is fetched directly from the database, which means you cannot enter a course manually, but you can choose the course from the drop-down list. And the batch can mean a class also. After I entered all the student details and click save, it will be stored in the database and it will be displayed in the table above also. And yes, I can sort, edit, delete and search the student details also. The next thing I'm gonna add is the grades. So I'm gonna navigate to the grades page and add the grades for the student. So yeah, in the grades page, there's a help section also. A user can click on it and go through the steps on how to record the student grades. So I'm gonna enter the student's grades details starting from the semester and the course duration. Next, I'm gonna add subjects for the course taken by the student in the semester. Notice that when I enter a percentage, the grades will be automatically calculated and displayed within the grades field. After I entered all the percentages and the subjects taken within a semester and click save, it will be displayed in the table above. So when I click on the student's name, the student's grade or the percentage of each subject taken in a semester will be displayed on a graph. And yes, I can edit, delete, search and sort the grades also. Next, I'm gonna create a transcript for the student. So I'm gonna navigate to the transcript page and generate a transcript for the student. When I click on the student name, a model should appear, and in the model I can print the transcript or I can export it to a Word document for further customization. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to record a student's attendance using the school management system. So I'm going to navigate to the attendance page. And yes, in the attendance page, you can set and sort the attendance details also. So to take the attendance of a student, you can simply enter the date, semester, and select a attendance status from the drop-down menu. After that, I'm gonna click on the Submit Attendance button to store the attendance record. And when I click on the View Records button, the recorded attendance will be displayed below. The table still contains some attendance records which I recorded earlier. Yeah, so the recorded attendance table can be exported to PDF or Excel spreadsheet for further customization. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is the scheduling. The staffs and students or the admin can use the schedules page to create their own personal schedule. So to create it, I'm gonna navigate to the schedules page, and in the schedules page, on the form on the right, I'll enter a title and start date and the end date of an event. After I entered all the details and click on the add event button, the event will be shown on the calendar. And yeah, I can delete the event also on the calendar if I want to. The next thing I'm gonna show you is the assignments page. So in the assignments page, staffs can upload assignments and students can download the assignments from that page. And yeah, the assignments page is very simple and it's easy to use and there's nothing complicated about it. So back in the home page, as you can see, the total number of students, staffs and courses has been updated automatically. The next thing I'm going to create is an announcement, and I'm going to navigate to the communication page to create an announcement. After I've entered the announcement and click on the post button, the announcement will be displayed in the communications page and it will be displayed in the home page also. So the final thing I'm going to show you is signing in as a staff or a student. So I'm going to log out as an admin and then I'm going to sign in as a staff. Remember that the staff can only sign in with the password provided by the admin. So when I sign in as a staff, I can access all the pages also except the staffs page. Okay, the staffs page is only accessed by the admin. Now I'm gonna log out and sign in as a student. Keep in mind that the students will also use the password provided by the admin to log in. So So yeah, when I sign in as a student, I can access two pages only, which are the assignment page and the communication page, and all the other pages are strictly accessible by the staff and the admin only. The main reason for this approach it's because to prevent students from logging in and deleting or modifying important or confidential information that is supposed to be accessed by the admin and the staff members only. So that's all, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.